holds its breath before history exhales. Freight Train 93, known to dispatchers as the Titan, was a 2.6-mile-long steel behemoth loaded with hazardous chemicals, industrial explosives, and reactor-grade material bound for decommissioning. It was supposed to be routine, a midnight transfer through the heart of the Midwest, but routine ended at 12:47 a.m. Somewhere along Track 9, a faulty relay tripped what should have been a safety shutdown instead became a full power surge. The throttle locked open